I'm doing a grocery haul from Whole Foods, so go ahead and stick around. Hi guys, my name is Be Messy here on YouTube, and if you don't know me, I do cleaning motivation, lifestyle videos, and planning videos. So if you would just hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make sure all notifications are set to on, that'd be greatly appreciated, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is my very first Whole Foods haul, and I wanted to do this because Patrice from Unique Gifts has been like, well, I want you to do a grocery haul. So I decided I wanted to try some stuff out, try eating a little bit differently, and I decided to do a haul on it. So the very first things I'm going to say are milk products. The first milk product I got is called Milk. I don't know if you can see that. Milk. And it's organic almond milk, unsweetened vanilla, cold pressed. And the ingredients are filtered water, organic sprouted almonds, natural flavor derived from vanilla beans, and Himalayan salt. So I got the unsweetened, so there's no sugar. Okay, so it's less than 1 gram of sugar, which I'm fine with. There is 4 grams of protein, and there's 2 carbs. So it's a really good one. I hear it's non-GMO, it's gum-free, because with a lot of these milks that are not made from a cow milk, there's a lot of gums in them, and that's something you want to stay away from. So I'm becoming educated on different good milk alternatives. I'm going to try them out. I'm actually going to be doing a whole video on milk alternatives. So yeah, and you also, when you're looking for almond milk, you want to make sure you're getting organic almond milk. The reason being is because when the almond trees grow, they are sprayed at the bottom with pesticide, because usually shrubbery is grown around the tree trunk. So they put the pesticides to make sure that doesn't happen, but then the tree soaks up all the pesticides and it gets into the almonds. And plus, when they shake the tree to get the almonds down, there's no resistance in gathering the almonds. So you always want to look for organic so that it's not using those pesticides. The next product is an organic coconut milk beverage, unsweetened, by So Delicious. This brand is really good. I do want to point out, with baking and stuff, you probably don't want to use this type of coconut milk, because on the label it says coconut milk beverage. So it is a little bit watered down, but since I'm trying to follow the plant paradox with my Hashimoto's, it says almonds are not good for you. So I didn't do a lot of research, and I thought almond milk wouldn't be good because it's almonds. But you actually blanch the almonds before you do it, before you get the milk or something. So it's apparently good. It's just the skin of the almonds I can't have. I can actually have almonds. So you're going to see something like that later. But I can have coconut milk. So I went ahead and got this. I like the brand. I have some ice cream from this brand, and I really like it. It's non-GMO. It has 0 protein, less than 1 gram of sugar, 1 carbohydrate, and 0 cholesterol. So it says, organic coconut milk, filtered water, organic coconut cream, contains 2% or less of vitamin and mineral blend of calcium, organic sunflower lecithin, and there's 2 gums in it. So I guess this would be better than this, but I'm going to see which one I like better in a video. I'm going to pick up a couple more as well. I'm pretty sure I cannot have cashew milk. And then peanuts are just off completely. So I'm looking for a good peanut butter that's not, I don't know, I might be able to have almond butter, but I'm not quite sure. If you know, leave me a link down below. But I'm looking for a good peanut butter. Alright, the next thing I got is some deliciously dairy-free cream cheese style spread in plain. I've used this before. I was working with a dietitian, and she said, I would really like to see you go off dairy because we've seen good results with people with Hashimoto's going off dairy. Since I did do testing, I am not celiac. I don't have any sensitivity to gluten, thank God. But I do have apparently sensitivity to milk. So I've tried this brand before. It was the only brand I could find that was dairy free, and I do like some bagels in the morning. So it has 1 gram of protein, 0 sugar. It's made with coconut milk, coconut oil, coconut cream, non-GMO expelled pressed safflower oil, vegan natural flavors, pea protein, and a little bit of cane sugar. Isn't the best, but lemon juice and a couple gums. But I think this, for the money, is the best I'm going to get. Alright, the next product is going to be roasted and salted pistachios. I love pistachios. I like the, I can do shelled and unshelled. I just got the shelled. This is the 365 brand at Whole Foods. It is non-GMO and it's made with sea salt. Pistachios are on the okay list for me to eat, so I picked some up just to throw into a bag for a snack when I go off to work and all that jazz. The next one is blanched almonds. So I have not been able to find blanched almonds, and I've looked at my local grocery store, and I decided at Whole Foods I was going to look and see if they had it. Again, it's that 365 brand, and it's blanched and silvered almonds. I looked for just blanched, but couldn't find it, but that's fine. I can just throw it into a bag, mix it with some of these, and we'll be all good. But this is non-GMO, made in California. 6 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 0 grams added sugar. Ingredients literally just blanched almonds. So this is something I recommend to everyone. And it's easy to get. It's at the cheap brand of $3.65. You can get a pretty good deal on it. These were expensive though. They're like $5. So not so expensive that I found. So, but they are good for you. So I do decide to get some. Okay, so the next thing is organic. Again, the 365 brand. Organic flaxseed ground. I needed this for a recipe I am trying out for breakfast. And yeah, that's interesting. So apparently you can use flaxseed as a substitute for egg. And it says on the back here, 1 egg equals 1 tablespoon of flaxseed plus 3 tablespoons of water. But if you use 1 tablespoon of margarine, butter, or oil, you just have to use 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. That's really interesting. It has 4 grams of protein, 0 sugar. It says our organic ground flaxseed pairs perfectly with soups, salads, or pastas, and is great as topping for yogurt, oatmeal, and cereal. Use flaxseed as a substitute for egg, margarine, butter, or oil in your favorite baked goods. A great way to increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acid, alpha-linoleic acid, ALA, and omega-6 fatty acid. Linoleic acid, adding a couple tablespoons of flaxseed, is also an easy and delicious way to increase your daily fiber. I got some ground flax seeds. It called for ground and not just original flax seeds. So I highly recommend this if you can find some good recipes. And also if you're going vegan or something, I think flax seeds would be a great thing for you. Alright, next product is a salad dressing, and I got it just to have on hand. So this is the brand I was recommended. I have been watching a lot of Bobby Flav with Flav City. It's F-L-A-V. So there's no E, so I don't know if it's Flav or Flav. So Bobby Flav with Flav City, but he recommends this brand. It is Primal Kitchen Italian vinaigrette and I don't know why I can't say that. Made with avocado oil. So I wanted Italian. It's going to be the best, I think, for you. But with this brand, he recommended any of them. But I thought I would get most of my use out of Italian just to make me feel like I'm being healthy. It's primal and paleo-friendly, sugar-free, soy and canola-free, dairy-free, gluten and grain-free. The very first ingredient is avocado oil, water, organic red wine vinegar, sea salt, organic lemon juice concentrate, organic onion powder, organic black pepper, organic basil, organic garlic powder, organic oregano, konjac root, organic crushed red chili pepper, and organic thyme. Thyme, I don't know why I say thyme, I just read it. There's 110 calories, there's no sugars, less than 1 gram of carbs, proteins. So I just think, I mean, if you just read those ingredients, if you compare this to ranch, but let me say, I do love myself some ranch every once in a while. But this is the brand I recommend. The Primal Kitchen is what I recommend. So go ahead and pick these up next time you're at Whole Foods and just replace it with the stuff you have now if you're looking to be healthy. I mean, even the cash register girl was like, you just got a really healthy salad dressing. I'm like, I know, right? So you want to look for stuff that's not artificial and actually has avocado oil in it, because you'd be surprised at how far avocado oil can be on the list. Just a few more things. The next thing is Stevia Extract, 100 packets. I don't love stevia. I'm going to have to admit, I'm a sugar girl. I love myself some sugar. But again, this called for 1 packet of stevia, the recipe I'm looking at. So I wanted to try these out. I'm trying to find out a healthy coffee recipe. Are you good? I'm looking for a healthy coffee recipe, so I'm trying to. Apparently, stevia is just better for you than cane sugar, but I don't love how it tastes. And it says, our stevia extract is non-caloric herbal sweetener from the leaf of stevia plant. We add rice, maltodextrin as a stabilizing base, as a total of 1 gram of carbohydrate per packet. I do have a liquid version of stevia, and I know that some people can be allergic to stevia, so I don't know if I would recommend this. But I'm going to try it. It's non-GMO, 365 brand, pretty cheap. But I'm going to try it, get off sugar, because it's really bad for your gut, and I need to get healthy. Okay, 2 things. Now, this is organic monk fruit, 0-calorie liquid sweetener. So I got this as an alternative to stevia. So every single morning, okay, not every, but a lot of times I do make a green smoothie, and it calls for 2 to 3 drops of stevia. But I don't really taste it. I don't taste any sweetener added to it, anything like that. So I hear that monk fruit is actually like a lot more potent and a lot more like sugar, but it's a lot healthier. So I decided to pick some up. It wasn't that expensive. It's non-GMO. It's just a little butter, but you can keep these for a really long time. But I hear this is really good, and I want to add it to my smoothies. I'll let you guys know. I might add it to some coffee. Again, I'm just trying to find that alternative of, I don't know, because I know that fall's right around the corner. I know I hate that thought because I love summer. But in the fall, I love having a cozy, like, coffee and having it be sweet. So I'm hoping to find a healthy alternative to the bad, Starbucks syrup that I put like 10 pumps in. So, alright, one more thing here, and I wanted to mention this. And it is the 365. Again, do you guys notice the difference? The 365 is really good quality, and it's a really good price too. So I always recommend looking for the 365 over a different brand. But also always check the prices, because you never know. Maybe like the name brand, like this one, which is Now Real Food, is cheaper than 365. Always do a comparison when you're standing there, because this was not a cheap haul, and this isn't even like actual food. But this is 365 baking powder, and it's aluminum free. I have baking powder. It's not aluminum free. And to me, that's really important. I don't like anything with aluminum in it. And I was like, well, I can't find it there. I can't find it here. I'm going to check it out at Whole Foods and see what I can find. And I found some. So I picked it up immediately. I was really excited. It's non-GMO. You know, it's just, I needed this. I'm making a muffin in a cup for breakfast. Hi, can I help you? Alice is down here. Can I help you, baby? But I am trying to do a muffin in a cup. I'm trying to be a little bit more healthy. I'm also trying to do, oh, here she comes. Yeah? You want to be in my video? Come on. Come on. You want to be in my video? Come on. No? Okay. But I am trying to be a little bit more healthy in everything I do. So I tried to do like a salad. But I can't remember what I use. I can't remember what lettuce it is. Oh, here she is. Hi. I can't remember what lettuce it is, but I'll link it down below or I'll put it down below. And Alice is all up in my food haul right now. But I did want to get aluminum-free baking powder so I can make those recipes and just be all good. I'm trying to do, even if it's not every single meal, I'm trying to make it really easy. I'm trying to have nuts on hand. I'm trying to have things like that. Like I have avocados and lemons and just make it so it's super easy. I'm going to be starting meal prep on Sundays. I have a couple recipes I want to try out. Oh, I forgot 2 items. I'll be right back. Okay, so I wanted to try this again. But this is baby arugula triple washed. USDA organic. So I got this to make salads and I wanted to put this with it. Usually I like to chop up some chicken and put it with this, but they didn't have any chicken that I liked. It wasn't free roam, it was just in a barn. They can roam around and I didn't really love the chicken selection at Whole Foods. I am going to go to Aldi and Costco today, so I'm excited about that. Then the last thing I got is Nature's Rancher 100% grass-fed organic ground beef. So USDA organic, no antibiotics or added growth stimulants. I got this because I want to start making hamburgers. I have this great recipe I found from Bobby Flav, and I can't wait to make it. It's going to be just thin patties, and then I make my own bun with egg whites, egg, and some other things. But it's really, really, really healthy, gluten-free, dairy-free. It's not vegan, I don't think, but it is something I want to try. And since it's summer, I want to try it out, but God help me. I have a grill inside, so let's see how that goes. I can film that if you guys want to see it. But I'm trying to get into cooking this summer, so I thought I would do a Whole Foods haul to kick this off. If you want to see any more food hauls from me, like an Aldi haul or a Costco haul, let me know in the bottom bar below. And also, all these will be linked down in the bottom bar. And check out Bobby Flav, I don't really know. But check his channel out. He's amazing, very informative, and he actually has gone to Target and Costco and Walmart, and he goes aisle by aisle showing you what to get in what categories. So like the best things to buy at Target, the best things to buy at Walmart, and they're, you know, he tries to do like the cheapest option. You know, it is a budget friendly. Also, it's trying to give everyone, no matter what your diet is, a chance to see what ingredients to look for, what ingredients to avoid, why you want to avoid them, and what to look for instead and where you can get it. So go ahead and check him out. I will go ahead and leave. Before you leave, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and hit that notification bell to make sure that all notifications are on. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!